Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Hooked in Loop. If you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for updates. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful face scrubbies. Okay, so I have already made these two crochet face scrubbies and I will show you by making another one. So these are quite pretty and very effective and also pollution free, means you can reuse it again and again. Here I have used a 1.75mm crochet hook, and the threads I have used are the embroidery threads. So let's begin. Firstly, we will make a magic circle. And then secure it with a slip knot. Do a chain 2 followed by a puff stitch. Secure it with a chain stitch. In the same way, do another puff in the magic circle and then again secure it with a chain stitch. I hope you can clearly understand how I am doing the puff stitch. Just follow it carefully. Pull the tail of the magic ring to shorten the circle, and in the magic circle there will be a total of 6 puff stitches. This is the last puff stitch of our magic ring and the first round. Complete this round with a slip stitch with the first stitch of this round, followed by chain 1. We will slip stitch into the first chain 1 space. Chain 2, and in that chain 1 space we will do 2 puff stitches with a chain 1 space in between them. We will do a chain 1 followed by 2 puff stitches in the next chain 1 space of the previous round. In this way, we will be doing 2 puff stitches in each of the chain 1 spaces of the previous round, with a chain 1 space between each of the puff stitches in this round. Each of the puff stitches will be having one chain 1 space between them, and in this round there will be a total of 12 puff stitches. We are now doing the last 2 puff stitches of this round, and finally we will complete this round with a slip stitch into the first stitch of this round, followed by a chain 1. Do a slip stitch and then chain 1. Now slip stitch into the first chain 1 space of this round. Followed by chain 2 and a puff stitch in this chain 1 space. Do a chain 1, and then in the next chain 1 space we are going to do 2 puff stitches with a chain 1 between them. Do a chain 1, and then in the next chain 1 space we will be having 1 puff stitch. So this is the order. Alternating spaces you are going to have 1 puff stitches, and proceeding it there will be 2 puff stitches. Okay, so in this round there will be a total of 18 puff stitches. At the end, join with a slip stitch and a chain 1. Moving forward to the third round, we will first slip stitch into the first chain 1 space, then chain 2 and a puff stitch, followed by chain 1, and again in the next chain 1 space there will be another puff stitch. In the third chain 1 space there will be 2 puff stitches. So the order is 1, 1, 2. Okay, in this way you will proceed, and this round will contain a total of 24 puff stitches with 1 chain in between each of them. I hope you understood the rule of this round. So we will quickly complete this round and move on further. So this was the end of this round. We will complete this round with a slip stitch and a chain 1. Okay. If you wish, you can continue the next round with a white colored thread, but I changed the color because a different colored border will make it look prettier. So just cut the yarn. Take the different colored yarn and make a slip knot. Okay, and then join it to our existing crochet pad in the chain 1 space of the last round with a slip stitch, and then do a chain 2 and a puff stitch there. In the next 2 consecutive chain 1 spaces, do 1 puff stitch followed by chain 1 each. Chain 1, and in the 4th chain 1 space we will be having 2 puff stitches there with a chain 1 in between them. Repeat this order throughout this round, that is 1 1 1 2. This round will be having total of 30 puff stitches in it with 1 chain in between each of the puff stitches. We will quickly complete this round, and at the end slip stitch with the first stitch of this round followed by chain 1 and then cut the yarn, and your crochet cotton pad is ready. So my crochet face scrubbies are done. These are very beautiful and very pretty, and how easily I made it in less than 15 minutes. Just make it, use it and reuse it, and I hope you liked my video. If you liked it, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section and share my video to the fullest, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.